Welcome my digital savvy friend. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you on how you can create your first website online. Maybe you have created a website before, maybe a free website using other free tools, but in this video we are going to be making use of WordPress to create our website. Alright, so the first thing you want to do before creating your website is getting a domain name and a hosting platform. The hosting platform we're going to be using and also getting our domain name is called Host. I have tried using other hosting platforms as Hostinger are quite expensive, and me coming across Host, I decided to give it a try, and the pricing was fair for me. It's actually fair for me, so that is why I decided to go for Host. Before showing you how to create a website, I'm going to be showing you how to get your domain name with Host. I'm going to be showing you how to register with your cPanel, and we are also going to be looking at other stuff as installing your necessary plugins and how to delete invalid menus from our website and from the template you are going to be using for your website, and how to add new menus and new pages to your website. So here we have the Host Silver hosting and Host Gold hosting. So you can just go through the packages for each of the plan and choose the preferred one, and just know that what we have here is for monthly payment. So for a month is 1,400, that is $1.49 or so. Going for the silver package, so I'm just going to click on order now, and let's see what this package comes with. So once you click on order now, it will bring you here. So just go ahead and input the domain name of your choice. So here are the price list, the search bar, and you can just go ahead and choose whatever you want. So if it is an online store, you can actually click on .store, .limited, .football, etc. So I'm just going to be leaving mine at .com. Click on continue, and it will take you to the next page. On the right hand side is the order summary, and right on in the middle we have the price list for renewal. So if you want to renew, these are the amount you're going to be paying per month, 3 months, etc. So just go ahead and click on continue. On your order summary, click on the boxes and continue. Okay, so it will bring you here. So once you get to this page, you just go through your order summary to know if you are okay with the price. Click on checkout now. So to sign up, you either sign up with your Facebook or with your Google. To just select your preferred option, then go in by filling in your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, etc. And I'll just go ahead and do that. You also go ahead and add your billing address, that is your company name, okay, and your street address, so city, postcode, and your country. So the country is auto set, but you can as well change it if you are maybe creating the website for someone else. Then the postcode, you can go to your Chrome browser and search for your country or your region or city postcode. I actually search for the postcode for my city, so you can as well do same. Okay, you can as well do same for your street, and whichever one you want to go for. Well, I recommend you use the postcode for your city or the particular street that you're living in. Just search for it on your browser, and I believe it's definitely going to come out because mine did. So I'll just go ahead and fill in all of this. For the additional information, just go ahead and add in your SMS number if you want them to reach you by SMS or by phone call. So go ahead and fill that. Then you put a very strong password. The strength of your password is going to determine if this is red or green. Okay, so once it's green, that means that the password is a strong one. Scroll down and tick the box that is agreeing that you have read the terms and conditions, then click on complete order, and that is going to launch. So to complete your payment, it will bring you to this page. Okay, so yeah, you can either pay with your MasterCard, you can either pay with Google Pay, you can as well pay with USSD, bank, or bank transfer. So if you're someone that is scared of scammers, okay, you can go with the bank transfer, which is something I did as well. I refused using my MasterCard or virtual card, so I went for bank transfer instead. So after clicking on bank transfer, here are the details of payment that was actually brought out. So the amount is 15,700. The bank account number is also there in the bank. So just, you don't have to use this same account number. Okay, you have to use the account number that was provided for you once you click on the bank transfer, because I don't know if they're going to be giving you the same account number as me. So make sure you don't use what is shown in this video, but use what is provided in the site. And I believe the name of the account number should be TrueHost. You must see TrueHost. Okay, so just go ahead and do your online transfer and return back to the site. Once you have completed your payments, an invoice is going to be sent to your email showing you the details of your order. Okay, and this is something you don't need to share with anyone. It didn't reach an hour before I got that email from TrueHost. Go to your browser, input your website name and click on it. Okay, so what I want to do is to click on cPanel login. So what I want to do is to create our password and our username. So let me show you how you can get your password and username. That is the correct password and username for this. The first thing you want to do is to log in your account from the TrueHost platform. So just fill in your email and your password, then click on login. Go to the top right hand side of the dashboard, click on your name, then click on email, and it's going to bring out all of the emails that have been sent to you by TrueHost. It's very important for you to always visit this place so you get updated. Click on the email cPanel login, and it's going to bring out all your cPanel login credentials. Your information has your username, your password, etc. So just go ahead and copy your username, the username that was sent to you. Go ahead and copy that. Then go back to your cPanel and paste it there. The same thing you do for the password. You go to your email, copy the password, return back to your cPanel page and paste it there. Then you can go ahead and click on login. Okay, so here is where we go ahead and install our WordPress account. Okay, so I already installed WordPress to my system, but I'm just going to show you guys the complete step, that is the process that you need to follow to install a WordPress to your own laptop, to your own system. On this page, we have, I think, nothing less than 2 WordPress. Yeah, we have the first one, which is under domains. Then when you scroll down, you get the one under the scripts, that is the software apps installer. So just go ahead and click on the WordPress on there, and it will bring you here. Okay, so you can see that it has 4-star review, almost 5-star review. Click on the install. It's going to bring out this page. So here we are going to be leaving it at https / that is the first one, the first or the third one. Okay, we'll go with the third one. Then we have our website name there already. We don't want to leave this WP on our website link, so we're just going to delete that, because if you notice, once I delete that, you're only going to be seeing my website name with .com at the end. But once you add the WP, you are going to be seeing .com/WP down below there. So we don't want that, we're just going to delete. We have our site name, my blog. You can change that to whatever you want. We have the admin name also. Then we have the site description. So I just went ahead to paste a description I got from ChatGPT. Then I'm going to change my site name and my admin username also. So we really want to go with a strong admin password. Okay, so you can see that the strength of the password has to be 100%. Okay, so and it has to be both alphabet numbers and letters. Okay, alphabet numbers. So you just go ahead and input a very strong password. For the admin email, we can just leave it at admin@etechng.com, but I'm going to be changing mine to support@etech. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and change that. Then you can go ahead and select all the plugins you want for your website. Then scroll down and click on install. So if you follow all of the steps that I have shown in this video, then you should successfully install your WordPress account easily with no stress. We have been provided two links. The first link, which is https // the first link there is for it to take you directly to your website, while the second link is to take you to your WordPress account, that is the dashboard where you can edit your website, where you can actually delete and add new plugins, new elements, etc. So you can just go ahead and copy both of the link and paste somewhere, or just get to know it. Okay, so the first link is to take you to your website, while the second link is to take you to your dashboard, that is where you can edit your WordPress website, add new plugins, add new elements, new templates, etc. So that's just it for the two links. To install the Elementor, you simply click on plugin, then click on add new plugin. So here you search for Elementor on the search bar. So here is a free Elementor that you can install. So just simply click on the install, then click on activate. Next, you want to click on Elementor. Click on setting. Okay, so we're just gonna take the boxes here, the land pages and products, then the other ones have been ticked already. Then you go ahead and click on save changes. So install a theme, click on appearance, then click on theme. Okay, so scrolling down, here are some of the themes that I have installed already. So to add a new theme, click on add new theme. Go and search for the Ocean WP theme on the search bar, but I have installed that already, so all I just want to do is to activate it. I'm going to be working with the first theme here, so I'll just customize this. So this is what our site is actually looking like with the Ocean WP. You can as well change the theme if you don't like this one. Okay, so we're going to be installing a demo template later for the tutorial. So let's just go back. Let's take a quick look at all the plugins we have installed. We have our all-in-one WP migration. We have our Elementor, we have our Ocean Extra, Ocean social sharing, and WP Form Lite. So some of these plugins are not needed, they are not necessary, so I'll be deleting them later. Okay, so I'm just going to complete the steps in installing or activating my Ocean WP theme to my website. So I'll just go to the complete Ocean social sharing activation now. So I'll just click on that. Okay, so I'll just scroll down. I want to make use of free elements alone, so I'm installing the demo. So just click on install demo. Here are some templates we can make use of. So I love this one. Activate this. Then click on go to next step. and install this demo. So the demo is being imported. Okay, so we're just going to wait for this to import. Let's go back to our dashboard. But first, let's see what our site is looking like. So click on your site name, visit, then click on visit site. And this is what our website is now looking like with the theme we installed. So this is what our site is looking like. I actually love this template, so I'm going to be working with this. So this theme has a whole lot of menus that we can work with, but most of these menus are not free. They are for pro users. So I'm going to be deleting most of the menus and just work with few. Okay, so before we go to the Elementor to start editing our sites, let's just do a little customization. Yeah, so click on the customize. Then click on site identity. So here you can just go ahead and change your site title and your tagline. So just go ahead and input that there. Mine has the name of my site already, so I'm going to be leaving it at that. And you just write your tagline, like what your site's all about, something that will help your website to be searchable. Okay, we'll go back to the customizing page. So here you can customize all of this, the typography, the general option, the top bar, the header, the block, the socials. So I'm just gonna be canceling some of the social features here because my clients does not have most of these social features. So I'm just gonna be leaving a few as Facebook and LinkedIn. So while I'm going to cancel the rest, so let's just go back. So let's also check about the sidebar. So yeah, the padding PS, so we're going to leave that the way it is. The footer, okay, so the copyright, okay. For the visibility, we are going to leave it as show on all devices. That is the first one. Okay, so we'll leave it at that. Right, so just go through it. Okay, so go back again. So yeah, we're going to either turn this on or off. Okay, for the parallel footer effect also, you can either turn it also turn that on or off. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave mine on. I'm gonna be leaving both on. Okay, so once you're done, always remember to click on publish so that whatsoever you're doing, whatsoever changes you're making is going to take effect, otherwise it's not going to work. So you can also increase and reduce the column. The heading tags is 4. The padding pairs, here you can as well change the color of your background. So the reason why mine is not changing is because there's an image in the background, so the color is not taking effect. But if there is no image in the background, then you're actually going to see the changes. Okay, so let's go back to the other pages. Go back again, click on headers, then click on general. Okay, so yeah, we're going to check this, select the style we want, if you want it to be minimal or whatsoever. So to add a logo, you click on header. So just go ahead and click on header, then click on logo. what we want to do is to click on select image. Okay, so I'm going to be trying something different. Let's try using the existing logos here to see how it's going to look on our own website. So I'm just going to edit it, resize the image. Okay, that's fine. Then click on okay. Okay, so click on select. Actually deleted the previous logos and click it select image. So we're going to be working with the cropped logo. So please, when you want to use a logo, try making use of logo that the size is small. Okay, then once you're done cropping it, click on crop image. Okay, so let's see how this comes out. So you can actually see the difference why I am actually asking you to use smaller size image. You can see that my own logo is quite bigger than the auto logo on the website. So click on publish. Right, so that's how to add your logo with WordPress. The next thing we want to edit is our icon. So we want to add a site icon. What we want to do is to click on site identity, then scroll down and select site icon. So yeah, you can resize the image, but I'm just gonna be leaving it the way it is. Then click on complete, click on publish. So let's revisit our website. And click on edit with Elementor. The edit with Elementor, we have these great features here. That is for the free Elementor. We have the layout, we have the text, we have the image, we have the text editor, we have video, button, all of that. So there are more features once you scroll down, but those are for pro users. So all you just need to do is to click on the text you want to edit, and you can as well go ahead and delete the ones that are not necessary or important to your own website. So I'm going to be starting with, so first of all, click on the first one, delete the existing text. Right, so you can see that as I'm deleting it, it's also deleting on both the center and on the left hand side. Click on the next text, delete the existing text, and input your own text. I'm going to be putting professional technician. So you can continue using this same approach to input your information about your website. So we're going to be editing this bars, this image bars, and we are going to be replacing all of the images with the AI generated images. So just go ahead and click on change image, click on upload file. So I'm just going to select multiple images. Just go ahead and select the image you want to work with, then add the description of the image and click on select. Okay, so you can see that our image has been changed successfully. You can go ahead and edit the title and also add the descriptions. Right, so let me show you how to go about this for the second time. So go to the image you want to edit, then click on the pencil icon there, then click on change images. So since we have uploaded all of the image you're working with, you just have to go ahead and select the one you want to work with. Right, then add the description of the image. Okay, so click on select. Alright, so you can see that the second one has been changed successfully. Okay, so I'm super impressed with how far you have come. Alright, so I'm just going to repeat the same process for the remaining two. So always remember to change your title and add the description. It's very important, or else your website is going to be carrying the details of the original owners of this website. So I'll just go ahead and change the rest of the image description and the titles. Very important. Okay, so scroll down and let's edit the informations below. So click on the text you want to edit, delete the text and impute your own text. Remember, I have shown these steps before. All you just need to do is to click on the text you want to edit and impute yours. There's nothing difficult there. Right, so I'm just going to finish up with this and we move to the next step. Next, we are going to be editing the existing images on this site. So like the logo, you click on the image you want to edit, then click on change image, then you go ahead and import your file from your system, or if the file is already on your site, that's fine. So mine is on my site already, so I'll just go ahead and import this. You can add the description and the title if you want, but that's not compulsory. Okay, then you go ahead and click on select. Right, so here is the image. Remember, this image is quite large, so if you want the size to be as perfect as the one in the original size, I advise you to crop the image, but this is a tutorial video, so we are going with this. So you can as well change the description from the left hand side of the screen and what you're saying there. So let's change the title of this image. So we have AC fixing. So click on the pencil icon, go to the image, click on change image, then select the image you want to add the description and click on select. You can go to the title section, delete the existing title and impute yours. So product for sale, and just continue the process until you are done adding all of your images to the website. So let's scroll down and see what's next. We have testimonials here. For the testimonials, my client hasn't provided any, except he gets testimonials from his own client. Then I'll be able to work on this section. So for now, I'm just going to be deleting this section out. Okay, so we're done with this section already. So let's just scroll up and change the images on the other sections. All right, so okay, let's change this image. Alright, so just click on the menu, then go to style and click on change image. Image, the first one. Okay, so let's make use of the second image, then click on select. Alright, so you can see that we have successfully changed this particular section. So we're just going to be repeating the same process for this section. So click on that. So click on style and click on change. So I'm going to be using this eTech AI generated image. Add your description if you want. Then just go down, click on select. Okay, so this is looking like a technician website already. I love the background image and I love the billing. Okay, so how to change your location. So click on the pencil icon there. You can see at the left hand side it has changed to location. So we're having location New York. So New York, so I'm just going to change delete that and change it to Mind Barren Path. You can as well add your city and your country. Okay, so now that I put Barren Path, you can see that the location, the Google map has changed to the geography, to different geography, precisely Abuja, Nigeria. So if you just go ahead and add maybe your street name, further details, it's going to give you a more precise location or address for your audience to be able to locate you. Okay, so I'm just trying to be very descriptive with my location here, and the more I add, the more precise or detailed the Google map becomes. So now you can actually see some streets in Barren Path, Abuja. So once you're done editing the Google map, you can go ahead and click on the update at the bottom left hand side of the screen. So we're just going to be removing the invalid menus from our theme. So invalid menus are basically menus that you can't edit using the free WordPress account, except you're a pro user that you'll be able to use some of these features or some of these menus. So here you can see invalid, the review is invalid. Let's see the about. The about is not invalid, so meaning you can actually edit the about, but you can't edit the review. So the invalid review invalid, while the about is not. So we're just gonna let me check choose your pack. This is also invalid. Okay, so the reason why this is invalid is because you cannot edit it. So I'll just go ahead and remove the reviews from my website. You can see that we still have all of those. So just choose pack remove. Okay, so you can see that the choose pack has been removed. Right, so that has been removed. Now we just have 4 of those. So I'm going to be removing this add contact me. So click on remove, and you can see okay, let's allow this to process. Okay, you can see that the contact me has been removed also, and now we just have the home and about and blog. Blog is not invalid as the reviews. You can actually edit the blog, but I'll be deleting that because we want to create an entire blog post that is new. So just click on add item. So when you click on add item, here you can add a new page. So just give the title of the menu. So I'm adding that as blog, then click on blog. Okay, so now you can see that the blog has been added successfully. So you can just add others as contact me. Okay, so I'm done with that, so I'll just go ahead and publish this. So click on publish. Okay, so let's go and take a look at our website. Click on the blog, and you can actually see that this page is fresh. So all we just need to do is to edit our blog section from the scratch. Okay, so let's go back to the Elementor. So we're going to be adding new pages to our blog. So click on the blog, click on the container, and here we can add or reduce the width and the height. So all you just need to do is to drag, just to drag this, and it will increase, and take it back, and the size is also going to reduce. Okay, so that's it for the height and the width. So for the style, here we have the background editor. So this is just to help you add images to your website. So you can either upload it directly from your system or choose from the media library. So you can work on the image resolution, and the position as well. You can change the position to center, etc. And you can as well work on the attachment. I want it default or scroll. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving it as scroll. Okay, so you can add your headings, you can add your text. So I'm just going to be adding headings. So click on the headings, and here you can input your heading. You can as well add lines on your website by clicking on the divider. This is to help you with different styles and lines, to divide your work. Okay, so you can actually increase the style. So there are different styles that you can work with. Then you can also add other elements as the text divider. Delete this divider and fix in something else that is related to my website. Okay, so once you select the style, you can as well work on the gap, just to make it a little bit finer. You can as well control the spacing and as well the color, the typography, the text stroke. Select image, then click on change image choice, or upload it from your system. So you can as well add videos, YouTube videos to your website. So all you need to do is to go to your channel and copy the link and paste the link here. But if you don't have a video to add here, it's fine. You can just leave it at that. And if you want to add multiple columns to your work, just click on the plus, drag widgets here. So it's going to bring out different column options that you can work with. So the location is being given 5-star review. I think you click on the image, click on the pencil icon. So click on change on the left hand side of the screen, then select the image you want to add. Click on select. Alright, so we are going to be editing all of this site. Click on the thing you want to edit, click on the pencil and just go ahead and replace the image. Okay, so you can just add your title, your description, and click on select. So you can see that that image has been changed also. Click on change. So just replace the image.